Assessment is an important part of learning, and at Curious Forever, we consider the quality of the questions to be of paramount importance. Hi, I'm Aman Jain, and today I will share with you how we are constantly working to improve the quality of the questions we provide to the students. Firstly, every 6 months, we review question performance data. If 80% or more students answer a question correctly on their first attempt, we consider that question too easy. It may no longer give students enough challenge, so we mark it as end of life and replace it with a new question at a slightly higher difficulty level. Second, we also carefully review student feedback. Curious Forever includes a feedback screen where students can report issues or share comments. Sometimes students tell us about an error, unclear wording, or a technical problem. We read and analyze each piece of feedback, then make improvements where needed. Third, we also monitor official and trusted sources related to the exams we support. For example, for Melbourne Selective Entry high school exam, we monitor Acer official website, we monitor the official material provided by them, and we also constantly monitor social media and other platform to find out any new information which we can get. Fourth, we learn from students who attend tutoring with us. Their experiences help us to understand which question types are working well, which area students find difficult, and where our question bank can improve. Finally, we also use artificial intelligence to supplement the work our team does. AI helps us explore better ways to phrase a question, improve explanations, and create more challenging version of the question where needed. However, AI does not replace the human judgment at Curious Forever. Our team reviews, checks, and makes the final decision. This combination of human experience and AI support helps us improve the quality of our practice material in a careful and practical way.